Hello and welcome. This is Rafi from Dorik. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a custom domain name with our website from Namesilo. And we have got two places from where we can start connecting a custom domain with our website. So the first place, let's say if you haven't yet published your site on Dorik. Now for the first time, you want to publish the site by adding a custom domain. How you can do this? Simply, you have to click on this publish button. After that, you will find this custom domain option. Let's click on this option and then we are going to find all these fields and then this information to connect the custom domain. So on this first field, we have to provide our website title, and here on this field, we have to provide the domain name which we want to connect with our website. And after that, we have to point these DNS records from the domain control panel. Now this was the first place. Let me talk about the second place from where we would be able to connect a custom domain name with our website. So as you can see here, I am on my Dorik website dashboard. Now I'll be able to see all the websites that I have created and published on this platform. So let's say you already published a website by using the dorik.io subdomain. Now you want to add a custom domain to this website. How you can do this? Simply you have to click on this gear icon. After that you have to click on custom domain, and here we go. We have got these DNS records appearing here, which you have to point from domain control panel, and then we have to provide the domain name right here on this field. And after putting all the information on proper places, we have to click on save change, and then the domain will be connected with our website. So for both of the places, the process of connecting a custom domain is similar. So I'm going to cross this out, and I'd love to walk you through the step-by-step process of connecting a custom domain name with our website from here. So on the first field, I'd love to provide a name, let's say Dorik domain connection. And after that, we have to provide the domain name right here. So let me take you to our Namesilo domain control panel, and I'd love to click here on the domain that I'd love to connect. And then I'm going to copy the domain name from here. Let's copy. Let's go back to the Dorik builder. After that, I'm going to paste it here. Now it's time to point these DNS records from domain control panel. But before we start adding these values, we have to remove all of the A records with this @host and all of the Cname records with this www host from the domain control panel. So let's go back to domain control panel from here. After that, we have to go to this DNS records option. So let's click on update. And after that, we have to remove all of these A records and this Cname record. So let me click on this cross icon from here. Let's click on OK. Then we have to remove this one. OK. Then we have to remove this one. OK. And finally, we have to remove this Cname record with this www host. So let's click on this. Let's click on OK. All right. Now it's time to go back here on our Dorik platform, and after that we have to copy this IP address value, and after that we have to create @host with this A type record. So let me go back to domain control panel. After that, as I have to create an A record, so I have to click on this A. After that, we have to provide the host name of @. After that, we are going to paste the IP address that we have copied from here, right? Let's go back. After that, let's click on submit. All right, so we have got our A record added. Now let's go back. We have to add a Cname record with www host, and we have to provide our domain name. So I'm going to copy our domain name from here, and let's go back into the domain control panel. After that, we are going to click on this Cname record, and then we have to provide the host name www as it is mentioned here. The host name is www, and then we have to provide our domain name in this target hostname field. So let's paste the information, and then let's click on submit. So in this case, you have to provide your domain name here. So let's click on submit. All right, so we are done with DNS record change. Now we have to go back to Dorik builder. After that, we have to click on publish site. And here we go, the site published successfully. Now if we visit this link, it might going to show us an error because we just changed the DNS records. To get everything working, it takes from few minutes to few hours to work everything properly. So if you are seeing any error, please don't get worried. It is going to work fine within like few minutes or in few hours. So let me just try our domain now to see. Okay, so as you can see, it's not connected yet, so we have to wait for few more minutes or hours. All right, so this was the process how you have to connect a custom domain name on your website from Namesilo. I believe this video was helpful to you, and if you have found this video helpful, please give this a like. And if you have got any further question, please feel free to ask us by commenting below, and visit us at dorik.com for more information. Thank you so much for being with us. Have a good day. Bye bye.